Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful March and a Sunday morning. It has started becoming a little bit hot over here in Ahmedabad. और हम लोग आ गए हैं अभी सुबह में यहाँ पे फ़कीरा बर्गर which is at IIM Ahmedabad. और he keeps he has a range of burgers. Now if you talk about burgers, burger is basically a patty which is kept between the two buns. And basically it is a beef burger. When it started out in the US, it started out with a beef burger. But when you talk about India, the Indian flavor of the burger, and especially in Ahmedabad, it is more of a vegetarian burger. So it is more of a, the patty is more of a vegetarian patty. And that's how the burger is made. So हम लोग आ गए यहाँ पे फ़कीरा's burger पे. It's an interesting name. And let us check out the burger, and let's also talk with the owner of फ़कीरा's burger and check out some interesting facts. So guys, we have with us Parthiv Bhai, who is the owner of this फ़कीरा's burger. हम लोगों ने आपको एक साल पहले भी अप्रोच किया था, to make this video. और अभी एक साल के बाद में the video has been made. So good that at last the video has been made. देर है, दुरुस्त है. Absolutely. But आपका ये नाम जो है फ़कीरा's burger, that's a very interesting name. फ़कीरा करके एक मूवी आई थी. कहीं उससे इंस्पायर होके आपने फ़कीरा नाम रखा कि और
कुछ? You can say that. हाँ, उस मूवी में गाना भी था फ़कीरा चल चला
चल फ़कीरा.
Right? Okay. सुन के तेरी पुकार. ये अच्छा सा गाना महेंद्र कपूर साहब ने गाया हुआ था. मूवी का नाम था फ़कीरा. तो शशि कपूर थे उसमें. मुझे वो मूवी भी बहुत पसंद थी. बट ज़रूरी नहीं है मतलब कि ये नाम मैंने उस मूवी से रखा, ऐसा नहीं है. बट फ़कीरा इज़ नॉट अ नेम एक्चुअली. अच्छा. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, व्हाट आई थिंक इज़, व्हाट आई फील इज़, फ़कीरा इज़ एक मन की अवस्था होती है. अच्छा. जब आपको बहुत कुछ अपनी लाइफ में मिल जाता है और आप बहुत खुश नहीं हो जाते हो, आपका कुछ लाइफ में चला जाता है या नुकसान हो जाता है या कहीं रिलेशंस में कोई दुख होता है कुछ भी, तो आप एकदम डाउन फील नहीं करते हो. यू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो. ज़िंदगी आपको जिस तरफ ले जाती है उस ज़िंदगी के फ्लो के साथ बहते रहना, उसके साथ चलते रहना, सारी चीज़ों को एकदम नॉर्मल लेना. तो ये जो मेंटल स्टेट होता है ना आदमी का, स्टेट ऑफ माइंड जो होता है, उस परिस्थिति को फ़कीरा कहते हैं. That is what I think.
That's a fantastic way of thinking, and that is a fantastic
anybody can be
explanation of फ़कीरा. So guys, if you want to have a taste of burgers and you want to have interesting company, then you have to come to फ़कीरा's burger and have the burgers, tasty burgers that he makes, and plus the beautiful talk that he does.
Yeah. So the main thing, we serve burgers over here. और हम लोग यहाँ पे सचमुच वाले बर्गर्स बनाते हैं.
अच्छा.
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स लाइक हर जगह पे मैंने देखा है हमारे कंट्री में ज़्यादातर लोगों को सैंडविचेस खिलाए जाते हैं बर्गर
के नाम से.
इस बन के अंदर टिक्की रख देने से बर्गर नहीं बन जाता.
Absolutely right.
एवरी फूड हैज़ इट्स ओन कल्चर, है ना. सदियों से, सालों से कल्चर चला आता है. तो ये बर्गर का जो अमेरिकन कल्चर है उसको हम फॉलो करते हैं और उसी तरह से बनाते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली. जो मैंने इंट्रो में कहा था कि बर्गर इज बेसिकली बर्गर हाउ इट इज अ बीफ बर्गर. इट स्टार्टेड आउट विद अ बीफ बर्गर.
Exactly.
बट नाउ सिंस वी आर इन इंडिया हैज मोर ऑफ वेजिटेरियन कल्चर एंड मोर सो इन अहमदाबाद में तो वेजिटेरियन कल्चर ज़्यादा ही है. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बर्गर, इट्स नॉट अ बीफ बर्गर बट इट्स अ वेजिटेरियन पैटी बर्गर.
वेजिटेरियन आलू पैटी बर्गर.
So
and we add different flavors in there.
Oh great, fantastic. So what are the kind of flavors that you serve? और आपका यहाँ पे USP क्या है?
Main thing is we are serving tandoori mayonnaise, chipotle, peri peri, chili garlic, Szechuan, and our famous burger is Thousand Island.
Oh, okay.
Which has got like 3 different mayonnaise and filled with cheese. So यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर लोग Thousand Island खाते हैं. So that is our main special burger over here.
Fantastic. And my mouth has started already watering with looking at all the options that you have. So which are the options that we are going to taste today?
Okay, first of all we will make one burger for you.
Okay.
Then you can also try our paneer chilla.
Okay.
Paneer chilla we serve only on Saturdays and Sundays, just twice a week in the morning. So yeah, we can do 2 things. One is paneer chilla and special burger बनाता हूँ आपके लिए.
So that's great, guys. So let's come to my favorite part, that is checking out the food, and we'll wait for him to make the burgers, and let's check out the burgers.
Okay friends, now I'm going to make special Thousand Island Fakira's burger. Okay, now we are putting a base burger sauce जो हम लोग घर पे तैयार करते हैं. ये हर बर्गर में लगता है. That is a base sauce. Then we put some vegetables. थोड़ा सा oregano. Then we put freshly made aloo tikki. Then we go with some tomatoes. Then we put some salad with paneer in there. And then we put a thin layer of onion. और थाउजेंड आइलैंड में हम लोग 3 टाइप के मायोनेज डालते हैं. ये पहला है चिपोटले. देन वी आर पुटिंग सम शेजवान इन देयर. और उसके बाद इटालियन हर्ब्स. और उसके बाद उसके ऊपर हम चीज़ ऐड कर देते हैं. थोड़ा सा ओरेगानो स्प्रिंकल करेंगे और इस बर्गर के ऊपर इसको रख के बंद करके Okay friends, that is Fakira's special Thousand Island burger. Now we are going to make Fakira's tandoori burger. We put some base sauce, sprinkle some oregano, vegetables, aloo tikki, tomatoes, हाँ जी भैया. Okay, now we put some tandoori mayonnaise in there. And cheese. जी भैया.
और ये क्या था? ये आपने तंदूरी था?
तंदूरी विदाउट चीज़ था. हाँ.
क्या खाए?
Okay friends, that is tandoori, Fakira's tandoori burger.
So guys, from the smile of my face, you can say that the burgers are over here, and we also have Oman with us, who has joined us.
Hello guys.
Slightly late, but you have joined.
Well-
Thanks for that.
Late but never say no for food.
Absolutely,
That's the concept we have at India HQ.
absolutely, absolutely. And we have got our burgers, and my burger is the Thousand Islands burger, and the one that Oman has is the tandoori burger.
Yeah.
Now,
So what we have learned is the flavors in all these burgers. They've got a veg patty, the combination of cheeses and sauces, and most of the flavor comes from the beautiful sauces that they add to the burger. And this one is a tandoori cheeseburger. That one is a Thousand Island burger, and we're going to dig into it and see how it goes. It looks delicious. It's very catchy on the eye, and I'm sure it'll be beautiful to bite into.
and in fact, before you came in, I was talking to the owner, Parthiv Bhai, and he said that the kind of burgers he makes out here is slightly different as compared to the Ahmedabadi burgers. They just put a patty inside the bun, and that is called a burger. That is not a burger actually. So there are a lot of other things also which go into making a burger. And since he has stayed in US also, and that has affected the way he's making the burgers. So these are the genuine burgers. Of course, it does not have the conventional beef or non-veg patty inside. It has got vegetarian patty inside, but otherwise it looks like a proper burger. So let's check it out.
Yeah, let's dig in. Overall, it's a delicious burger. We are being a little camera shy here because it's a big bite you need to
Big
take.
bite, you need to open your mouth, and I have got a limitation. My mouth does not open, so it's so wide.
So sorry if you're looking savages while eating this,
While eating the burger.
but that's how you eat a good burger.
Absolutely.
And one more interesting thing, Kaushik, you have to see, there is a special discount here. The man is patriotic, and he says if you sing the national anthem loudly with Fakir Uncle, you get a 20% discount. So anybody who knows the national anthem, I'm sure everybody knows it. If you're ready to sing it, he'll give you a discount. This is very rare to see. So nice to see. Amazing. All right.
Let us have one more bite of the burger. The patty is absolutely crunchy. And since there are three kinds of dressings inside, it is an explosion of various flavors in my mouth. Yummy, absolutely yummy, and it is full of cheese. And cheese is one of my favorites.
Guys, this is wonderful. We need to go off the camera to really enjoy this, because it is to be eaten savagely. You cannot be decent while eating this. I hope you enjoyed this. You guys have to come here, taste this. It's a great burger to have. It's not easy to find a good burger in Ahmedabad, but I recommend this. It's a nice place to be. You have your street food vibe, and you got a delicious plate of burger. What else do you need? You got the crowd, you got your typical Ahmedabad atmosphere to eat.
Yeah, absolutely. So, guys, if you want to have an authentic, American burger, the vegetarian kind, okay, then this is the place to be. Fakira's Burger is the place to come over here, which is at the IIM Gully, and he is here almost all days of the week in the morning. So guys, you can come here and have a taste of any of the burgers that he has on his menu. You can select the one and you can have a experience of all the tastes out here.
Okay friends, now I'm going to make paneer chilla, which is Fakira special only on Saturdays and Sundays for breakfast in the morning. पनीर चिल्ला हम लोग शनिवार और रविवार को सुबह में यहाँ पे सर्व करते हैं, शाम को नहीं रखते हैं, सुबह में 3 घंटा ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम में ही रखते हैं, सैटरडेज एंड संडेज। Put butter in here. उसके बाद थोड़ा ओरिगानो स्प्रिंकल करेंगे। जैसे ही बटर मेल्ट होगा तो ओरिगानो के साथ इसके ऊपर पूरा लेयर हो जाएगा बटर का। नहीं ये आलू टिक्की चीज नहीं ना फ्रेंच फ्राइज नहीं बेटा, खाली बर्गर्स ना पनीर चिल्ला अच्छे।
आलू टिक्की देखिए सर। पीरी पीरी वगैरह में डिफरेंस
ये थोड़ું તીખું આવશે બેટા,
બાકી હશે તો આલુ ટિક્કી ને
આલુ ટિક્કી અને વેજીટેબલ્સ તો બધામાં આવે।
अच्छा तो पीरी पीरी कर दो
जी
एक है। टाटा स्टील જે રિફાઇનરી હોય ક્રૂડ ઓઇલ કાઢે એની બધી ખબર નથી અત્યારે કાઢી નાખે બહુ आलेगा परम करे वेटिंग आलेगा परम से नहीं जाए
We have got something interesting here. It's a chilla, and chilla is a pancake. It's a pancake that has got a few lentils like moong ki dal, urad ki dal. Then it's got chana lot and all that. And the pancake is stuffed here with a lot of fresh vegetables, some paneer, a few sauces. He says it will have a lot of flavor of garlic and similar. It's got cheese. We've got two chutneys here. One is a chili-based chutney. One is the imli khajur chutney. So this will be a sweet and sour, and this will be kind of spicy, savory dip. Now chillas are traditionally made for breakfast. So this chilla he serves here on Saturday and Sunday. I think he explained the book. So it's available only on the weekends in the morning for a limited time. A very special thing. It looks delicious. As always, it's got plenty of cheese, and the Wazis love cheese on their food.
Absolutely. Even I love cheese on my food, and it's got lots of cheese. But when he was making it, it was looking as if he was making a dosa or something.
It is similar. So all these things are different forms of pancakes, basically, that arise from the Indian subcontinent. So we've got the chilla, we've got the dosas. These are savory pancakes. These are not and they are made to a point very thin, and they are crisp. And this one has been rolled into. So all the stuffing is there, and then it's rolled into a kind of a wrap sort of a thing. But these are, you eat it. These are nice, delicious, soft pancakes, and they are made of lentils. So full of proteins actually. Very delicious to have. It's traditionally made by moms and everyone at home.
This is the khajur ki chutney, right?
That is the one.
Okay, so मैं खजूर की चटनी के साथ में चिल्लास खा रहा हूँ.
Okay, the chilla is wonderfully made. The batter definitely is spot on. It's crisp, it's nice and thin, it's beautiful. All that stuffing in there, it's definitely worth digging in. So let's not try and dig in.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's again taste it with the other chutney.
You can see the redness of the beetroot in there and a lot of other vegetables, and
Really tasty. Very nice. Worth trying.
this is brilliant. This is definitely a unique chilla that I've had. It's a good idea. Chilla stuffed with a lot of other stuff. Interesting, very interesting. Full marks to him for making this. It's beautiful to have.
So guys, with that chilla, we really enjoyed that, and we really enjoyed the burgers. I mean, this is the authentic burger joint in Ahmedabad. I mean, the vegetarian burgers, of course. So guys, if you really want to enjoy authentic burgers, you guys can come over here. So this is the interesting place. I mean, with an interesting name and an interesting story behind it. So it is Fakira's Burger at IM Road. So come out here for authentic taste of burgers.
Yeah, you'll enjoy the food. It's going to be fun. It's nice. It's mouthful of flavors, deliciousness. Nothing to complain about. Enjoy every bite of it. Keep eating, keep enjoying. And this is saying bye from India HD and from Abraham and me. Bye-bye.
See you
Hope
next
to see
time.
you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.